Welcome once again to me East Indian YouTube channel. Today I will show you the recipe of how to make tripe curry. We East Indians call it wasari. Now I will share the ingredients. All you need is 4 onions. I have sliced and then roasted the onion. 1/4 dry roasted coconut. Around 4 tablespoons of bottle masala, fresh coriander for garnish, and 1 lime, 2 green chilies, a piece of ginger. This is all you require. This is the oil. I have taken around 3 tablespoons of oil, salt, and this is a tripe. I cleaned it. You can also use rice flour while cleaning this tripe. I have then boiled it and I've cut it into small pieces, and this is a stock that you have to retain. We'll now grind the roasted onion, the coconut, the chilies and the ginger. The ground paste is now ready. We also need around 1 cup of black-eyed beans, soaked beans. So let's get started now. Heat a deep bottom vessel, add the oil to it. Add the ground paste. Do not let it burn, just keep stirring only for a while. We'll now add the bottle masala. Mix it well. Just bagar this masala for a while. We'll now add the tripe vajri. Mix it well. This is already boiled, so it won't take much time in getting cooked. And these are the soaked black-eyed beans. Now we'll cook till these black-eyed beans are nice and soft. Mix it well. This is the mixie water. Ready. I only had to check the beans, they are nice and soft. We'll now squeeze some lime depending on your taste, how sour you want. Stir it well. The vajri curry, the tripe curry is now ready for consumption. This is the stock that I retained. Salt as per taste. Cover it with a lid and we'll wait till the beans are nice and soft. The tripe curry is now ready for consumption. So enjoy with steamed rice or rotis. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Happy cooking. Thank you.